If receiving unemployment income is new to you, did you know that it's taxable income? Here's a tip to help you avoid penalties come tax time next year. Welcome to a quick, about 3-minute video on money tips and tricks to help you feel more confident with your money. I'm Tricia Rosen. I'm a certified financial planning candidate and an IRS enrolled agent. I run a financial planning firm called Access Financial Planning. So many people received unemployment income recently for the first time due to the pandemic. But you may not realize that it's considered taxable income by the IRS. The U.S. tax system is a pay-as-you-go system, which means that everybody's required to pay taxes on money as you earn it. When you file your tax return once a year, that's when you figure out if you overpaid, underpaid, or you paid just about the right amount during the prior year. If you didn't pay enough taxes on income at the time you earned it, not only will you need to write a big check to the IRS at tax time for the income taxes that you owe, but you also might be subject to an underpayment penalty too, which increases the total amount you need to pay, and nobody wants that. So if you had taxes withheld from your unemployment check at the time it was sent to you, you may have had enough withheld. But it's still a good idea to check to be sure to avoid any surprises come tax time. And if you elected to not have taxes withheld from your unemployment check at the time it was sent to you, then it's an even better idea to estimate what you will owe in taxes for the year. If you haven't paid enough taxes yet for the income you've received so far this year, then you'll need to pay estimated taxes this year, so you don't have to come up with a large sum of money at tax time next year, and also so you can avoid a potential underpayment penalty, which would be on top of the regular taxes that you owe. So to estimate the amount of income taxes that you may owe, there's a worksheet on the IRS website, www.irs.gov, and you could go there to figure out what your taxes may be. To find the worksheet, search for 2020 Estimated Tax Worksheet in the search function on the IRS website homepage. The worksheet is part of the IRS Form 1040-ES, and the form has a bunch of really useful information on it about estimated taxes, how to calculate them, and how to pay them if you do owe some. So the form, admittedly, it looks a little scary, like most IRS forms do. But if you take it step by step, it's a lot more manageable than you would think when you first look at it. And not everything on it will apply to everyone, so there'll be some lines on it that may not apply to you and you can just skip. The other situation is if you are now working and you receive a paycheck, you can also use an online tool on the IRS website called Paycheck Checkup. It will let you know if you're having enough withheld from your paycheck to prevent an underpayment penalty, or if you need your employer to withhold more taxes between now and the end of the year to avoid a potential penalty. Either way, it's much better to know now if you're in good shape with the IRS when there's still time to make adjustments and plan around the extra expenses if needed. The Paycheck Checkup tool is also found on the homepage of the IRS website. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email address is info@accessfinancialplanning.com. Thanks so much for listening, and I hope this Money Minute helps you feel more in control of your money. Take care.